This is the Zoho MCP homepage, which you can access by heading to zoho.com/MCP. This is where you will configure and set up the Catalyst MCP server. Click on the sign up button and then go ahead and complete the sign up process. Once you are done with the sign up, you will be taken to this page in Zoho MCP where you will be able to create and manage your MCP servers. Click on Create MCP Server. Enter the server name. I'm going to go with Catalyst MCP. Next, I'm just going to click on Create. Make sure you have selected the Tools option in the left pane and click on Add Tools. Search for Catalyst and then select it. Here you can find all the MCP tools available for Catalyst. I am going to select all the tools here in this list. And now I will click on Add Now. We have now created the Catalyst MCP server. Selecting the Connect option from the left panel will show you the instructions you will need to connect the Catalyst MCP server to your AI tools. Let me copy the Catalyst MCP server URL. In the Claude desktop app here, go ahead and click on your username in the bottom left and select Settings. Click on Connectors, Add, and then select Add Custom Connector. Here, paste the Catalyst MCP server URL that we copied and give your connector a name. I'm going to call this Catalyst MCP connector. Now click on Add. Click Connect. Once you are done with this authorization, you can configure the permissions for the connector. With this step completed, the Catalyst MCP server is now authorized and ready to work with your Claude desktop application for all your Catalyst projects. Catalyst skills give AI coding agents deep knowledge of Catalyst platform, services, SDK patterns, and best practices, enabling them to write deployment-ready Catalyst code, recommend the right architecture, and even manage infrastructure directly via Catalyst MCP tools. The instructions to install the agent skills for Catalyst can be found in the dedicated Catalyst agent skills repository. Let me first copy the universal Catalyst skills installer command. Let us now set up the Catalyst agent skills in the Claude Code desktop app. Open a new Claude Code session and then paste the command that we copied. Once installed, you can verify that they are enabled by going to the username here in the bottom left, clicking on Settings, Plugins, Browse, click on Code, and then clicking on the plus option here on the Catalyst by Zoho plugin. Now you will get a pop-up that says Catalyst by Zoho is installed and ready to use. Once installed and enabled, you should be able to see it right here.